Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both headsets. Charge them above 50% and power each on. On the Cardo Edge, press the power/phone button until the LED shows pairing. On the Spirit, hold the pairing button until it announces Bluetooth pairing. Do this now so both radios actively search, otherwise the devices will time out. Once both show pairing LED patterns, move to the next step quickly. Keep them within 1 meter so signals are strong and interference is minimized. Next, use the Edge's menu or voice command to scan for nearby Cardo devices. The unit lists discovered names. You will see the Spirit appear, select it using the Edge controls, or confirm verbally if voice pairing is active. The Spirit will request confirmation, accept on that unit. Wait for the pairing tone or spoken confirmation. This confirms a secure link. Make sure no other Cardo devices are next to you to avoid accidental pairing with the wrong headset. Finally, verify the connection by initiating an intercom call from the Edge to the Spirit and listen for clear audio. If you hear choppy sound, reduce distance and check antenna orientation. If volume is low, adjust both headset volumes and mic boom position until speech is clear. If pairing fails repeatedly, power cycle both devices and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: perform a factory reset on the headset reporting issues and repair. This clears corrupt pair lists and resolves most stubborn connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.